Most devices that use these batteries don't have a battery indicator. You don't know your car keys or luggage trackers are dying until they're already dead, which is why I like to use the Duracell 3-volt lithium 2032s. I just refreshed all my Apple AirTags that are connected to my car keys. And when these convert into luggage trackers for a trip, the stakes are high. You don't want to lose power when your bags are in another city. With a family of 4 and 2 teenagers that always seem to lose things, whether we're out and about or traveling, it's big peace of mind knowing that the batteries are fully charged. The safety features are the real winner for a busy household. With toddlers always visiting the house, packaging is nearly impossible to open without scissors, and the batteries have a non-toxic bitter coating to discourage swallowing. It's a smart little proactive layer of protection for any parent. And Duracell adheres to strict manufacturing standards for their 2016, 2025, and 2032 sizes. It's a budget-friendly way to know your trackers and keys are all staying reliable. If you want a battery that's safe and dependable, this is the perfect fit.